If you think that delicious food and diabetes never go together, you are mistaken. Today, I'll show you a dish that balances your blood sugar, keeps you full for hours, and even helps with weight loss. No flour, no frying, no excess oil. Just pure nourishment. This is a buckwheat and chicken casserole with a yogurt and cheese glaze. Ingredients: buckwheat, about 70 grams water, 140 milliliters, chicken fillet, about 210 grams tomato, 1 piece natural yogurt or fermented milk, 100 grams eggs, 2 hard cheese, about 30 grams salt and spices to taste. Why this recipe is good for diabetics. Buckwheat is a slow carbohydrate. It releases glucose gradually and does not cause sugar spikes thanks to its fiber and magnesium. Chicken fillet is pure protein, helping to stabilize glucose and support muscle tissue. Yogurt and eggs bring probiotics and B vitamins, essential for metabolism. Together, this meal provides smooth, lasting energy without overloading the pancreas. Step-by-step preparation. First, pour the buckwheat into a baking dish and add the water. Layer diced chicken fillet on top. Add chopped onion and tomato. In a separate bowl, mix natural yogurt, eggs, and grated cheese. Stir well and pour this creamy mix over the buckwheat and chicken. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 1 hour at about 200 degrees Celsius. After an hour, you'll open the oven to the aroma of a golden, tender, perfectly balanced casserole. Nutritional balance. Each serving is light yet filling, rich in protein, moderate in healthy fats, and low in sugars. The combination supports steady glucose levels and protects against energy crashes. What happens inside your body? After such a meal, blood sugar rises slowly and smoothly. Insulin stays stable, helping your body burn fat instead of storing it. No heaviness, no craving for sweets afterward. Your liver gets to rest and your muscles receive complete nourishment. What science says. According to a study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020, adding protein to dinner for people with type 2 diabetes reduces post-meal glucose peaks by up to 1/3. Another study in diabetes care in 2018 showed that low glycemic load dinners improve insulin sensitivity in as little as 2 weeks. Key takeaway. Every smart dinner is a small victory for your pancreas. This casserole is proof that taste and health can live on the same plate. Healthy alternatives? You can swap chicken for turkey and yogurt for low-fat kefir. Adding a few florets of broccoli or cauliflower increases fiber and vitamins without changing the taste. Same comfort, even more health benefits. Final note on activity. Remember, proper dinners are only half of success. For full remission of type 2 diabetes, daily cardio training is essential, at least 1 hour twice a day. Walking, cycling, or swimming, whatever you enjoy most. Closing message. Your health journey is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. If you want more scientifically backed recipes that truly work, subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs to control their blood sugar.